I am shooting in 360. It's kind of crazy. The fact that this is like, the fact that this is possible is a little insane to me. So yeah, you can look around my beautiful car while I speak to you. Don't look at my car, it's a little bit dirty right now, but it's better than what it used to be. So odd talking to myself. Oh my god, I just dropped everything. I also wonder how much of this you can see, like how much of my body can you see? Because it's supposed to be like 360, but can you really see my whole thing? Can you see my hand? I don't know. What we're doing right now. Y'all can't see it, but they can. Oh, what the hell? Guess who those guys? What a surprise, actually. I'm trying to walk in. Alright, more. Bye. I don't know. Please come, I'm so tired. Yeah, that parking's about to be expensive. We have fun here. We have fun. Let's check the temperature. Oh, I can't. My phone's dead. The only thing I don't like about this place is your cuts. Because parking is full real quick. So, I hope you guys enjoyed me suffering a little bit this week.